My utmost thanks and gratitude to each of you for having visited my channel, subscribed to it, and also watched the videos. We're nearing 6,000 subscribers now, and as a token of celebration and gratitude, I'm having a special, precious gift, a giveaway. Please read the description below to know more details about the giveaway. The seventh secret is to reconnect with nature. Nature can be understood as an external nature as well as the eternal nature. Are we able to connect to nature around us, which also in turn connects to our own inner nature, our own inner personality or character or traits that we have within us, which we can reconnect to and which makes us dive much more harmoniously within ourselves, much more balanced, and makes us a more calm and a more purposeful being. The eighth secret is on a very powerful word called as gratitude. A lot of people have written about this. Rhonda Byrne has written a whole book on it, various texts around the power of gratitude. And this particular secret says that we need to be grateful to anything and everything that brightens or illuminates our day, right from morning to night. The power of gratitude again has a reverse effect on us, because when you are feeling grateful, a sense of love and joy, a thankfulness to the world and environment around us, it seems to reciprocate back inwards towards you. The feeling of gratitude is this particular secret. Try it and see how it enables you and how it transforms your entire life from within. Just being grateful to anything and everything around us. The ninth secret is to live in the now. A lot of times we are either drawn to our past or to the future, regrets about the past or concerns about the future, and in between we forget this particular eternal present moment. And living in the present moment, which is guaranteed and which is there for us can transform our future and also takes care of ensuring we don't get bogged down by the past memories that keep haunting us. So making an attempt to living in the now, in the present moment, is the ninth secret, a very powerful secret, and it has to be practiced on an ongoing basis to try to keep living in the present moment on an ongoing basis. And at times we may be dragged back to the past, doesn't matter. Just step back, observe yourself, and come back to the present moment. We might get worried about the future, doesn't matter. Just step back, observe yourself, be a witness, and come back to the present moment. The 10th secret is to follow my Ikigai. And Ikigai is a combination of doing things that you truly love to do, which you're passionate about, which connects to your strengths, which also connects to some part of the world which you can heal and serve, and you get rewarded by it. And if you can manage to flow through this particular curvy river around and come to a central point, the central whirlpool within ourselves, which is also called as an Ikigai, we need to keep living the Ikigai and keep going towards it.